Hey, it's James Nicholson from RocketMarketingHub.com. Courtside here at Madison Square Garden, just been watching the New York Knicks versus the Oklahoma City Thunder. And important business message from this game is that you've got to produce a business where you have raving fans. Now, the Knicks at the moment are not doing particularly well as a team, but today was sold out in Madison Square Garden because they built themselves loyal fans. And if you do that in business, you build a tribe around your business, you build loyal fans in your business, then you're going to get people that will continue to spend money with you over and over and over. And that's what New York have done here. They've built an incredible franchise with a great history, and that has meant that they can just keep putting offers and promotions out there to their fans, and they will continue to make money. And that's what you need to do in your business. You need to build a tribe of fans that are going to keep coming back every time you release a new product or service, and they're going to be repeat customers for life. And that's going to make your business a hell of a lot more profitable. So I hope you find that useful. I'm off to go and spend some time in New York tonight, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.